Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, children, how was your YouTube?
Ma'am, good.
Ma'am, good.
Did you face any problem? Did you face any
No,
problems?
ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in comprehension, grammar, did you attempt everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm taking up a last revision of analytical paragraph today. Tomorrow I will start with a new session, new topic of grammar. We'll be starting with a new topic of grammar. We are planning to start with subject verb concord, subject verb agreement. Okay? A bit we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
already done in your classes, but today we'll just take up a bit of revision of analytical paragraph once again. Because in half yearlies, you will have this analytical paragraph. I've already told you, children, that these are the lines you should use when you start the paragraph. This graph chart map shows a keen analysis reveals that any line you can select for introduction over here. Have you noted down all this in your notebooks or not?
We have not noted the format.
Beta, this is actually not the format. This is just to help you how to start the paragraphs. I'll give you time to note down, first understand. For introducing your paragraph, to start with your paragraph, you can start like this. A keen analysis reveals that the given chart illustrates, this graph shows. This is your first paragraph. It should start like this. Second paragraph should give an overview of the main points. Okay. Second paragraph means all the details of the main points. The details, you have to use these words. Note down all this. I'll give you time, first listen. In details, you will use these words. Gradual decline. Gradual decline means धीरे धीरे कम होना. Steady rise. Steady rise मतलब धीरे धीरे कोई चीज बढ़ रहा है, then that is called as steady rise. Steep rise. एकदम से कोई चीज बढ़ गया, that is called steep rise. And बहुत ही ज्यादा बढ़ गया, then it is a sharp increase. Understand the meaning of these words. These words should be used while describing. What does the word gradual decline mean? What does the word gradual decline mean, children?
Ma'am, slowly.
Yes. Something is
Rising.
decreasing but slowly. कोई चीज बहुत धीरे धीरे कम हो रहा है. Supposing पहले 40 था, फिर 38 हुआ, फिर 36 हुआ. This is gradual decline. Moving on to the second word, steady rise. धीरे धीरे कोई चीज बढ़ रहा है. Steep rise, all of a sudden काफी increase कर गया, and sharp increase बहुत ज्यादा. Yes. Then we have linking expressions. While. Okay. In Hindi we say jabki. This is increasing while the other is decreasing. So you can use the word in contrast to. In 2011, it increased. There was a steep rise. In contrast to 2011, in 2010, there was a sharp increase. So whenever you're comparing, you can use any of these words. So this is all about the second paragraph. The last paragraph, that means you have to write only 3 paragraphs. you have to give the summary. No need to give the reasons or explain the trends. Simply give the summary, conclusion. That what do you think? You give reasons to explain the existing trends on your personal preferences. Why do you think this is happening? Supposing if I say sale of automobiles is increasing, then you have to give your to conclude this was maximum, this is minimum, and I feel the sale of four-wheelers is increasing because now they have become economical. People are earning a lot of money. They can afford to buy cars. Whatever is your conclusion, you have to give. Okay, you don't have to give reason for explaining the trends. Okay, whole information is just summarized. Summarized in a sense, very short. To conclude, this year we had maximum, this year we have minimum, and overall whatever you feel, but there is no reason to be given over here. So how many paragraphs to be written when you're writing an analytical paragraph?
Ma'am, 3 paragraphs.
Paragraph.
Yes, Pache. Chalo, please start. Put on the heading guidelines for analytical paragraph. Open your notebooks.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta. You wanted to say
ma'am,
something?
now, ma'am, now I don't have my notebook because it's in school.
You did not collect it back.
No, ma'am, I collected back, but by mistake I forget to take it.
Anyways, you can write on a rough copy it
Excuse
later.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
But ma'am, I have
I have
done this.
collected my notebooks, but my notebooks are not checked. English
I told you,
literature,
I told
creative
you
and
the reason.
grammar.
Maybe I am telling you, there were some notebooks on which only English was written. So when the office people made bundles, I got some literature notebooks and some of creative writing and grammar notebooks went to Surti ma'am. So I also had to return them unchecked, and she also returned them unchecked daily, because when the bundles were made by the office people, there was some mixing up of notebooks. So don't worry, you can send your PDFs to me of your work so that I
Okay,
can give
ma'am.
you marks. And second time when we collect notebooks, make sure on bold letters, please write on the first page, creative writing, grammar or literature. What is it? Many notebooks,
Ma'am,
it
I
was
have written.
they got mixed up actually. I got so many literature notebooks, I had to return them unchecked. Similarly, some writing grammar notebooks were put in the other section and ma'am had to return them unchecked. But don't worry, if at all your work is complete, send your PDFs to me.
Okay,
That ma'am
ma'am.
will check. And next time when you give your notebooks, I'll check them. Don't worry.
Okay,
Very
ma'am.
soon you'll
Okay,
be
ma'am.
asking notebooks again. Chalo beta, those who do not have a notebook in your fair rough copies, note down. Please put on today's date and write guidelines for analytical paragraph. And please note all this. If you learn this, you will be very, very good in writing an analytical paragraph. These are the only clues that we have. Those who finished writing, raise your hands.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what we have to do, ma'am? I've just joined the meeting.
Beta, in your notebook, you have to write down what is shared on your screen, guidelines for writing an analytical paragraph. I've already explained how to use these guidelines. I'll explain it once again to you. Okay, first note down. Once again, I'll explain it to you. Guidelines, put on the heading guidelines for writing analytical paragraph. I'll explain once again for those who joined late. Those who finished writing, raise your hands. Children, hurry up, beta. Please hurry up so that we can practice also a few paragraphs.
And this last paragraph is read. Last
Okay,
paragraph.
beta. Okay. And then post on the group. Those who finish, please post on the group. Keep posting on the group simultaneously after finishing.
Ma'am, done.
Post on the group, beta.
Ma'am, posted.
Others also, please post.
I'm posting.
What about others? So much of time you're taking, beta, to write. Please write quickly. Please write and post on the group, children. Hurry up.
Ma'am, send it.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, send it. Ma'am, send.
Very good, bacha. Post. What about others? How much time more is needed, children? I don't even know they're writing or not.
Ma'am.
Yes, finished?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Finish and send it.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what is the meaning of astonished?
astonished.
Yes, ma'am.
Astonished means हैरान हो जाना किसी बात से. To be surprised.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, humongous?
Peter, what are you asking? Just
Humongous.
speak a little loudly. You speak slowly. This is Dhananjay, na?
Yes,
Hmm?
ma'am.
इधर क्लास में भी ऐसे ही बोलते थे आप. You're so slow to speak. When you
Ma'am, I'm
asked me
saying,
this, what did you
ma'am,
ask me first?
ma'am, I'm saying that what is the meaning of humongous?
Okay, you want me to tell you the meaning of the word humongous? Yes, it
Yes,
means
ma'am.
very big, very huge,
Okay, ma'am.
enormous, big one, very huge. Yes, children, please do this question. Post it on the group.
Ma'am, we
I
have
want you
done
to
this.
use these words. I want you to use these words which I've given you in the introductory paragraph.
Ma'am, we have done this.
Okay, we have done this. This is a solved example, no? Have you noted down this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we have done this.
We have done.
Yes, ma'am.
What about this?
Ma'am, done.
This also is done. So you
Yes,
basically
ma'am.
done all of them. Just hold on. Just 1 second, beta. Career choices we have already done.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just let me see on my PDFs if I have another one for you. If have you done this one? I thought this we've not done. Have you done this junk food?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Just give me 2
Yes, ma'am.
seconds. And another flow chart. By the time, let's revise. Introductory paragraph, how to start with? Give me the lines.
Like this graph or chart shows whatever.
Yes. The other way we can start.
Ma'am, a keen analysis of the above figure reveals that
What all will you write in the second paragraph?
And the overview of the main points deduced by analyzing the given figure.
Very good. Other students are not speaking. Other students, please
Ma'am.
share what you do.
Ma'am, basically in second paragraph we overview the main points deduced by analyzing a given figure.
Very good, excellent. And children, what will we do in the conclusion?
Ma'am, in conclusion we summarize all the things in
How many paragraphs? When we say analytical paragraph, we mean how many paragraphs are we going to write?
ma'am,
3 paragraphs.
Ma'am, 3.
So, what should be the word limit of such paragraphs?
120.
Ma'am, 150 to 200.
Normally, it is 120 to 150 words.
120 to 150.
120 to 150. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, introductory paragraph approximately how much you keep? How many words?
40 words.
Okay, let's plan it. Let's plan it roughly. And what about concluding paragraph? How many words?
60 words.
It is 60 words. Okay, let's have the total. 60 plus 4, 40 means 100. Then what about the conclusion? How many words?
20.
Conclusion should be of 2 to 3 lines.
It approximate if you keep 40, 60, 40. Then also it comes around 140. That is the perfect one. 120 to 150. So 40 for introduction, 60. If your introduction is less, then increase the middle paragraph. It should be more than 60. And then conclusion around 30. Try to keep the word limit here only around 140 words. Do not exceed this, because if you exceed this, then you'll have an issue. Okay, let us discuss the grammar portion of class 10th paper today, the UT paper that we had. Okay, should we
Okay,
discuss answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Bache, let me share it.
Ma'am,
with
what
you.
is the meaning of word pensive?
Just say the spelling. What are you trying to say?
pensive.
Beta, can you speak again? I could not make out the spelling.
Ma'am, pensive. pensive.
Okay, pensive. Yes, we had it today. Okay. It means when we are deeply involved in something, deeply engaged in something, something we are thinking about something very seriously, a serious mood or something like that. Pensive
Okay,
mood.
ma'am.
Pensive mood is what we use, like we say, a very serious mood. When we are in a serious mindset, that mood is called as a pensive mood. So, how was the grammar section today? How did you all do? Are you confident
I'm,
about it?
I'm good, but we don't get enough time to do that.
For grammar?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am, actually there was so many questions in literature. That's why grammar take less time.
One period I think literature was shared and one period grammar section, right? Or was it not done like this?
Ma'am, literature was done in 1.5 period and grammar I have done in 20 minutes.
No, I'm asking about the sharing of the paper. Which paper was shared first?
Ma'am, for
English
literature papers
Ma'am,
was
there
shared
was a
first.
sequence. First, the English literature paper was shared, then the grammar and Greek.
In the first meeting, the literature paper was shared, right?
Ma'am, but some
Okay.
are saying, ma'am, ki scroll down and some are saying scroll up. So that's why
Okay.
also.
That's okay. What I'm saying is,
Ma'am,
in the
that's
first
why
period,
the time was lost.
just make a few things clear to me. In the first meeting, that is in the first paper, literature paper was shared on the screen, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And
Yes,
when the
ma'am.
second meeting, that is the second period started, then what was shared? Again, literature.
Ma'am, in half of the period, literature was shared because it was having too many questions in that. and
Yes, ma'am,
students were not able to do in one period, so half period more was shared for literature.
That should not have been done because marks distribution is the same, 20 marks. It is the same only. Then so obviously you people must have not got time for comprehension. I'll have to speak to principal sir and manage the marks somewhere. So you got only half a period, around 15-20 minutes only for the entire
Yes,
grammar,
ma'am.
comprehension and writing section.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Yes,
actually,
ma'am.
ma'am was about to share in the second period, but some students are saying, ma'am, we have not done the literature part, so please show up. That's why also we got
yes,
late.
ma'am.
So you mean to say 1.5 period you had for literature?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first 20 minutes from second period.
Okay, so the rest of the 20 minutes, comprehension, grammar, writing, everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is not possible only to do. Let me speak to sir. I'll adjust the marks somewhere or I'll have to do something because I'm sure you'll not be able to perform like this. How can you perform? You must have left out a lot of things.
No,
No,
In the,
ma'am, I
ma'am.
have written such a bad handwriting in 20 minutes.
Ma'am, we have done the everything, but we are not sure that what we have written. That's why we are
Yes, ma'am, because we were
in
writing
doubt.
it very fast so that it should not leave. That's why.
sorry, this is very strange.
Ma'am, I have done the grammar in 7 minutes.
Let me speak to sir.
Ma'am,
I do
I
understand.
finished my paper at 9:03.
Let me
Ma'am,
speak
same
to.
here.
But Peter, the point is that the question paper must have disappeared at 8:50 when the meeting got over. So you cannot
Ma'am, but
even.
we are writing. Ma'am, we were writing the paragraph,
The writing part
article.
is
Article.
article.
We were writing article.
Right, you
Ma'am,
must
I
have
have
tried.
left one page for article. First, I have did the exercises so that if at 8:50 the meeting gets over, so that then it should not left.
God, this is really difficult. Let me speak to sir about your section. I'll see what best can I do for you because obviously in 20 minutes, this was a 40 minutes paper. Obviously in 20 minutes, nobody can give their best. In one period, we were supposed to do literature. In one period, we were supposed to do the writing and grammar. In 20 minutes, grammar, comprehension, writing section cannot be done. Still, I'll discuss with sir. Let me have the grammar section first. Let's discuss. Don't worry. Huh?
Thank you, ma'am.
You cannot do so much of writing section. See, in writing section also, you had a lot of questions. You cannot do this. So article was to be written. The story writing was also there. Okay, let's discuss the grammar. Father wanted Dash say something, but the bus had started moving. Yes,
Ma'am, can you repeat?
see this on the screens. Father wanted Dash say something, but the bus had started moving. What is the answer out of this? What is the correct answer for this? Children, am I audible? Yes, the answer is 2. Father wanted to say something. I saw Dash father receding into the distance. What was the answer?
Ma'am, we are discussing what?
We are discussing, Hari, you are class 10th now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I think I've shared class 9th paper with you. That is why you all are totally blank. Huh? You're not
Yes,
able to.
ma'am.
I've shared class 9th
Yes,
paper.
ma'am. I was saying what you were saying.
No, this is class 10th sample paper. 3 hours
Ma'am, I
paper.
was thinking that I did something wrong in the paper.
No, this is the board sample paper beta, which has been issued by the board this year. Sample paper of 3 hours. I had downloaded it. I thought I'll practice it with you. Okay. This is that one. That is why you got confused in this. Chalo, never mind. I'll share the paper in the next class with you and we'll discuss that paper. I'll discuss with principal sir also. Tab tak ye wala karte hain. Let's do this. That's why you all are so quiet and I was wondering, am I audible or not? Good, I had a class with you. At least I got to know your problem. Father wanted to say something, but the bus had started moving. I saw dash father receding into the distance. Answer.
Her.
Father,
Hmm?
Ma'am, can you repeat again?
See this on the screen, it is there. I saw dash father receding into the distance. B, which is the correct option?
I'm on screen, it's not sharing anything. It's rationalized curriculum.
That is why you're having the problem. Acha, my screen it is showing. Just give me 1 second more, children. एक minute. Just give me 1 second, children. Let me know when you can see it on your screens. This was the paper that you had today. Can you see it on your screens?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's still rational circle.
And the half of the screen is black.
Okay. How
Ma'am,
did
we
you
can
attend
discuss in the
Tiger
next class.
But never mind, that too we will discuss. Don't worry. Let's talk about. We have 2 minutes still. See on your screens, is it there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us discuss. We still have 2 minutes. Rise in curry dash a tasty lunch.
Ma'am,
Make.
What is
makes a tasty lunch.
makes? Yes, makes is a correct answer. One of the boys dash sure to be selected.
Is.
Is.
Number,
Is better, not are. It's one now, so is. You dash pay for mistakes.
You need.
You need to. You need pay for your mistake.
Need and shall both are correct.
I'm shall.
Dash friends, she's an introvert.
She has
Many.
a few friends.
She
A
has
few friends. Very good. A
A
few
few.
friends. A few friends.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of introvert?
इंट्रोवर्ट बेटा लाइक यू जो ज्यादा लोगों से फ्रेंडशिप नहीं करते हैं, बहुत कम बात करते हैं. इन डैश प्रोग्रेसिव मूव द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. In a progressive move, the UGC dash banning animal dissection. The UGC will be considering.
Will be.
Yeah, going to consider. Both are correct. Is going to consider, is going to consider, and will be considering. Both are correct. Banning an animal dissections in dash zoology curricula. In there. THEIR. बाकी तो ठीक है. First is a. Second can be is going to consider or will be considering. Both are correct. And last वाले में बेटा यहाँ पे there. THEIR. There is the correct answer. So this is the grammar section. Already discussed. Rise and curry makes. One of the boys is you need or you shall. Both are correct. She has a few friends. This is 4 marks. Here it